The M917 series heavy dump trucks have been in service with the U.S. Army since the late 1970s. Starting from the initial M917A0 to the current M917A3, they have always been one of the main trucks in the Army, performing routine loading and transportation tasks. Compared to tanks and armored vehicles, which often appear on various social platforms, the M917 truck is relatively low-key. The M917 uses a lot of civilian truck technology and is an 8x6 configuration heavy dump truck. Its second axle can be raised and lowered, raised when empty, and lowered to balance the pressure when loaded. The front engine compartment of the truck is equipped with a Cummins NTC 400 diesel engine, which outputs 400 horsepower and allows the truck to reach a maximum highway speed of 107 kilometers. In addition to the driver, the cabin can accommodate 1 to 2 people. The truck is a rear dump truck with a cargo capacity of 10.7 latitude and a payload of about 18 tons. As a truck that does not need to be deployed at the front line, the M917 naturally does not need to be equipped with weapons. However, it still has additional armor kits to protect the cabin and resist light weapons and shrapnel damage. After serving as an important transport vehicle, the M917 was developed into the M919 concrete mixer truck for construction and the M920 tractor. The latter model of the M917 is the M917A1, which was renamed the M917A0 after the former was put into use. Technically, the M917A1 has no relationship with the M917A0. They are actually two different trucks, with a similar basic structure, and were produced in the late 1980s using many commercial truck components. The A1 is a 6x6 truck with slightly smaller dimensions. The truck is powered by a 400 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine with a maximum highway speed of only 89 kilometers per hour. However, the truck is fuel efficient, which has received positive feedback from users. The truck still does not have self-defense weapons, but provides additional armor, a cargo capacity of about 11 mph, and a payload of about 17 tons. The M917A2 is an upgraded version of the M917A1, which was put into use in 2001. Its engine is a 430 horsepower 60 DDEC IVO 6-cylinder diesel engine, and the new Allison automatic transmission has 6 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, with a maximum driving speed and range that are basically the same as the M917A1. In recent years, due to the aging of the M917A2 and the U.S. military updating the standard for dump trucks, the latest generation M917A3 heavy-duty truck has been developed. It has no direct inheritance relationship with several predecessors, but is a new design by Mack Defense Company, and the first batch of pre-production models was delivered in 2019. The M917A3 is an 888 configuration, with larger dimensions and greater carrying capacity. It is powered by a 440 horsepower Mack MP8 turbocharged diesel engine using an Allison automatic transmission and has a maximum highway speed of approximately 100 kilometers per hour. The loading space of the truck is nearly 14 mph, with an effective carrying capacity of 24.5 tons, which is stronger than its predecessors in the series. The truck has a standard 2-person cab, and its modular design allows for easy conversion to an armored cab. The vehicle has heating function and can start the vehicle at -40 degrees, which is beneficial for use in high latitude or high altitude areas. In the future, the U.S. Army is expected to equip more M917A3 to replace the old M917A2.